Good day everyone, my name is Hugo from HHRL Kids. Have you ever heard of mind control? Have you ever seen it in action? How about this? Have you ever wanted to build your own robot like a true hacker in a spy movie? Well, look no further, because I'm proud to present the HHRL Kids Discovery Series. This course consists of numerous exciting mini projects to teach everyone electronics, software programming and robotics in 2-hour workshops hosted on a weekly basis. This course allows you to gather knowledge on electronics, software, programming, robotics, as well as a collection of electronic kits. With every lesson, you get a lesson page as well as all the components that allows you to complete the lesson. The first season consists of 20 lessons and is grouped in 3 main projects: Foundation Projects, SEMG Project and Sumo Robot Project. The Foundation Project's purpose is to start everyone off on the same page and work through the basics of electronics and software programming. The fun projects include LED dice, noughts and crosses game, RGB color LED mixer, servo controller, touch buttons, a metal detector. All these projects demonstrate the uses of analog and digital signals, inputs, outputs, and the power of processors, executing the programs written by the students. Moving over to the SEMG project, which was demonstrated earlier. The power of analog electronics, combined with the digital signal processing, is demonstrated in the human-machine interface called the HMI. With proper software library management, this master's degree level piece of engineering is made available to school students through the simple software linking process. The season concludes with a robot project to expose you to mechanics, power electronics, RF communication and system engineering. The lessons are hosted by a tutor, where you will receive a kit to take home afterwards. Programming stations will be available for you to write your software programs and load it onto your projects. Please look at the link at the end of this video for more information. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you at the workshops.